Recipe to make the fat cutter cucumber, pineapple and ginger drink. Take one regular sized cucumber or two cucumbers if they are small in size. Do not peel the cucumber. Cut them into pieces and put them into your blender. The next ingredient is pineapple. Add 1 cup of fresh pineapple into the blender. If pineapple is not available, you can substitute it with 2 kiwis. Next and the last ingredient to this drink is ginger. Take half an inch of ginger, cut it into small pieces and add it to the blender along with other ingredients. Add around 750 ml of water and blend the drink until all the pieces are evenly blended and easy to drink. Shift the blended mixture into a glass without straining the contents. You can also add freshly squeezed lemon juice to the drink, but remember, this is a no salt, no sugar drink, so nothing else can be added. This mixture will give you 2 servings. Half of it is to be consumed on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. The second serving is to be taken before bedtime. You can have breakfast an hour after drinking this weight loss drink. Try this for 15 consecutive days and see your weight coming down magically.